guys, JFM here, back with another video today. I'm coming at you guys with a 0.11.0 update preview video. I haven't done an update preview in a long time, but it's finally time to get out an update preview, guys. This update, 0.11.0, is going to be the next big update for Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's going to come along with a ton of features, which I'll be getting into in this video. I do want to let you guys know, anything in this video is, any pictures, any tweets, they're all going to be from the actual developers of the game. People that work for Mojang and work to create Minecraft. So this is all real stuff, so no worries about, you know, whether or not it's real. Also, I do want to let you guys know that, I don't know. I want to let you guys know that I'm going to start the video now. So, the first addition to 0.11.0 is just a very simple one, but it's kind of overlooked. It's just support for more languages. So, here I have a picture from Tommaso Cecchi, one of the main developers, and he has basically just sent us a picture, but it is a little bit different because, as you can tell, where it would say back or create or edit, I don't know what actually it says there now I'm thinking about it, but, it is in Italian. Those words are in Italian. So they plan to add different languages like Spanish, Chinese, Italian, it's looking like, and maybe a few other important languages to kind of just broaden the spectrum of who can play the game and completely understand it. I think it's a great idea, and I'm looking forward to trying to understand. You know, that's a good way to learn new languages. But anyways, I digress. Let's go back onto the next. This is pretty exciting. The next addition to 0.11.0. This is a picture, guys, ladies and gentlemen. This is, again, a tweet from Tommaso. He tweeted out a picture of a boat. It's actually looking like a minecart, but they just haven't changed the textures as of the date of this picture. But yeah, so he said boats, 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 and yes, they do look like minecarts, but the important thing is to get the paddling right. Keyword paddling. They are making these boats a little bit different than PC, so that's going to be really cool. Basically, this is just a picture, so imagine that those minecarts have a wooden texture and look pretty good. Also, under there, well, here's another picture. This is actually another Italian tweet, so I had to kind of just Google and see what this was saying. But basically, he said, yes, we will plan to add skins, boats, and some other features. I think it's not that, but that's basically what he's saying. Skin and boats are the main thing, so yeah, skins and boats. So there is another tweet confirming. Also, if we look at the next picture here, we will get a little bit more information about how these boats will be different from the PC boats. If you guys have played PC before, you would know that they do not take 5 planks to build. They take, oh, they do take 5 planks. They will not take 5, they don't take 5 logs to build. So in MCPE, they'll be bigger and require 5 logs instead of 5 planks, which is ridiculous. And a paddle item. And so a lot of question was coming about this paddle item. Will you have to use it to move the boat, or what will you have to do, you know, in order to get this boat moving, or is it just something that will increase the speed if you have it equipped? So, of course, someone asked, and they said, or Tommaso said, in the end, I think it will be paddles, it will be a paddles item or something, so he's just in the idea process, and obviously, by now, he may have already completed it, we're not sure, but it is needed to move at all. So he's basically saying, you cannot move your boat without a paddle, so you're going to need an actual boat and a paddle to get yourself going. I think it's really cool how MCPE is getting, you know, version-specific features that maybe PC and Xbox don't have, just to give people a little bit more incentive to maybe try out the game and see what those features are like. So that is pretty epic. Also, guys, big news, big news, big news! We have a new mob coming in to Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's the cave spider. It's just simply, they were talking about, potion effects where, well, not really potion effects, but just different effects on your body. Like, you can get poisoned by spiders, or you can eat rotten flesh and get, like, poisoning and all that stuff. All those different types of, you know, effects. And someone brought up, like, well, can we have cave spiders? And they're bringing cave spiders. It's going to be pretty cool. And they will be able to infect you with their poison and venom. Unlike normal spiders, I guess I'll put up a picture of cave spiders. They're found in mine shafts, and they bite you, and they poison you, and it is no fun at all. So I'm super excited to have no fun at all with the cave spiders, if that makes any sense. The next feature they're going to be changing is the skins feature, and I can show you guys this tweet again, this Italian tweet, this lovely Italian tweet. Actually, it just says skins. So you can actually, that's pretty it translates to English pretty well. As you can see, he did write skin in there. It's just saying they're going to add skins. But there will be something pretty cool because they're going to have different shaped skins. There's the new 3-pixel skin, ARM model, Alex, whatever. It's the new Minecraft thing where they've kind of changed the skins up, and it's just a different model. It's not the same as the old-fashioned Steve we all know and love. It's a little bit different, and they named this one Alex instead of Steve. So that's pretty cool. And then we have another picture from actually Johan, and this is... he just said, we're working on skins, how I currently look in MCPE 0.11.0. So yeah, it's just a reverse view of a pretty cool skin that we may be able to get our hands on the release of this update. So that's going to be pretty cool. Also, there are a few options in the game that they're going to be changing. They're going to add a daytime option, as you guys can see on the bottom of this picture sent by Tommaso Cecchi. They have an always day selection, which you can use. You can also change your game mode, because as you can see, this is an edit. This isn't create world. This on the top, it says edit. So this is something that you'll be able to do. And of course, you can't edit the seed, but it will showcase the seed if you were looking for it. So you can change the name of your world. You can change if it's in survival or creative, and you can make it infinite if it isn't already. That's really cool. You can also delete your world. If you want to delete your world, of course. So that is actually really, really cool. And as you can see, Tommaso says, nice, the world edit screen is done with the game mode switch. Now it's boat time. So they did that before the boats. I just disordered it for this video. No worries. Boats and the menu will be there. Okay, the next thing we can look at today is status effects. We are going to be having, like I said, earlier about the potions. Well, why just do poisoning when you can do a ton of different effects? As you can see right now in this picture, it looks like he's being poisoned. As you can see, the hearts are a little bit like brownish green and they're getting hit and whatever, and so it looks like they're poisoned. Also, you can see the arrow is red, unlike the normal arrow, so it looks like he's actually like taking damage while he's taking the screenshot, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that is basically it. It's just different potion effects. If you look in the top right, there are different potion effects. I'm not sure what all of them are, but there is, I think, resistance, speed, health boost, poison, I don't know, there's a ton of things, jump boost, it's all sorts of things. But specifically, I do know one of them, that's because of this picture. It is a picture of the jump boost effect. All these effects have different timings and what like that on them, and it's going to be pretty cool. Unfortunately, most of these effects won't actually, like potions, most of these effects we won't be able to use because potions aren't going to be in the game until the Nether actually comes out into the game, which will be a while down the road. So potions won't be added until the Nether, but I'm not sure exactly how they're going to introduce these different potion effects. Maybe if they want to do beacons or something, I'm not too sure. I don't know how they would do beacons because they don't have the wither, but somehow where it just could maybe be toggleable, or maybe they're doing something version unique. We never know. But yeah, those are the different effects that you can have on your body when you're playing Minecraft. It's pretty sweet. So the last few things, these are just you know, miscellaneous changes and fixes to 0.11.0. They moved the edit button from the world selection menu on the top right corner to the side of each world, along with a new icon, which you guys did see earlier, basically in where it was what was it? It was Italian. The picture of the Italian worlds, it just had a little edit button next to the world. Also, the external button now appears when tapping new rather than edit. So when people were always complaining, like, how do I go into servers, they weren't finding a way to add a new world, well, it's because you had to click edit and then hit external. So now they finally fixed that, and when you tap new, you can make an external server. Or you can enter an external server, excuse me. So yeah, also they added the hat layer of pigmen heads like the PC version. So basically, if you don't know, pigmen like in the PC are a little bit 3D in their head, and they've never been in Pocket Edition, which I think is a little bit of a bummer, but they're fixing that. So there's a good chance they'll actually have hat layers for people too. So, excuse me, it's Burp City in here. If you have a, if you play PC and you have a hat layer and you can't use it in Minecraft Pocket Edition because it doesn't have a hat layer, I think if they add them for pigmen, they're probably going to add them for the actual Steve character and skin. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. If it's not, that's a little bit of a weird thing to add just for pigmen. I'm pretty sure they're going to do it for the regular skins as well. Also, mine shafts will have cave spider spawners. So they added cave spiders, and the way you're going to actually run into these spiders is through mine shafts. They spawn in mine shafts, and it's all cobwebbed up, and you got to fight through them, and hopefully don't get poisoned and die. So that is it. That's all we know for the update as of this, as of the time I'm recording. So I hope you guys do have some feedback for me. What do you guys want to see in this update? Maybe if you could change a few things. I know everyone's thinking, where's the sprinting and where's the hunger? I don't know where it is. I'm so sorry. We don't. The developers just haven't added it, and it's so annoying because I would love it. I would love it. But, you know, you can't pass up boats. Boats are pretty sweet. You can't pass up new mobs. I mean, a lot of these new features are going to be pretty cool, and I'm looking forward to the release of 0.11.0 so bad, just to, you know, just to have some more fun with new features in Pocket Edition, because they're always fun. It's just like a permanent mod. Like, everyone messes around with mods, and then you get a permanent mod when an update comes out. It's pretty sweet. Not really, but it's sort of sweet. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you guys found this video helpful at all, you can check out my channel if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of Minecraft Pocket Edition stuff and stuff like that. If you aren't new and you're old, what's up? What's up? Anyways, guys, I am finito with this review, or preview, I should say. I hope you guys did enjoy. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit today about what you should expect in Minecraft Pocket Edition in the near future. I will talk to you all later, and as always, stay frosty, my friends. Peace, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.